Hey fifth graders, it's Miss Withers and I am back at you with the Unit 2, Week 3, Day 3 word work lesson. So let's take a look at our learning targets for today. Our learning target is to read and sort words with open syllables. Remember, an open syllable is a syllable that ends in a vowel, and that vowel sound is long. So A, E, I, O, and oo. And remember, sometimes Y acts as a vowel if it makes that vowel sound, that long vowel. So let's take a look at some examples. Our first word is secret. First, we need to ask ourselves, how many syllables are there in this word? Secret, secret. 1, 2, secret. Well, I count 2 syllables, secret. Then I need to figure out which syllable has the open syllable in it. My options are C or crit. Well, I notice that C ends in a vowel and it is that long vowel sound. Therefore, I'm going to put my box around C. Does my second syllable have it? Crit. Nope. It ends in a T, and a T is not a vowel, it's a consonant. So which syllable has the open sound? It's the first one. Let's go on to our next example. Future. How many syllables are there in this word? Future. Future. 1, 2. I count 2 again. And now I have to find which syllable has the open syllable in it. Future. This one seems a little bit tricky because I see that the first syllable ends in a U and the second syllable also ends in an E, but we need to listen to what the word sounds like. Let's start with the first syllable. Few, oo. It does end in a vowel and it is the long vowel sound. But chur, that sound is not a long vowel sound. So this one's a little bit of a trick. It's got that silent E. So it's only in the first syllable. That is our open syllable sound, our first syllable. Let's look at this example. Solo, solo. How many syllables are there? Solo. 1, 2. 2 syllables. And which syllable has the open syllable in it? So, ends with a vowel and a long vowel sound. Low. Ends in a vowel with a long vowel sound. Both syllables have the open sound. So, low. Very good. And finally, photo, photo, photo. How many syllables? 2 syllables. 1, 2. Photo. And which syllable has the open syllable sound? Well, fo ends in an O, that's our vowel, and toe ends in a vowel, and they both make the long O sound. So we have another example of both first and last syllables having the open syllable sound. So, during your independent work time today, you are going to highlight and sort the letters in each word that makes the open syllable sound. Make sure you color code. So you'll notice in our examples, secret, I highlighted the open syllable with green. Future, highlighted the open syllable. Solo, photo. I highlighted first and last since both of them have that open syllable sound. You could highlight first and then sort, or sort and then highlight, but please make sure you are both highlighting and sorting. Then you'll submit your slides. Good luck!